Hello everyone, welcome back to OY Home Remedy YouTube channel. My name is OY. If you're new to this channel, you're welcome, and if you've been an old timer, you're still welcome. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, I would love you to subscribe and also like, and don't forget to click on the bell button for information or notification from us when we upload new videos. Okay, so today I'm going to be putting us through how to make a home remedy for your cough and cold. You know, it's the Hamatan season, and it's very easy to get cold in this season, and so I would want to put us through on how to make a home remedy easy peasy, okay, that you can do in the comfort of your home. Okay, so stay tuned while I teach us, or rather put us through on how to make a remedy for your cold. So today the ingredients we're going to be needing for this DIY, it's garlic, lemon, and honey. Okay, so we all know that garlic is rich in manganese and vitamin B, vitamin C, selenium, fiber, and iron. It contains a little bit of everything you need. Okay, so and garlic combats sicknesses including the common cold, and also it enhances your immune system. Okay, so and we also know that honey help in reducing your cholesterol level. Okay, and also we also know that lemon is rich in vitamin C and can also combat cold. Okay, so those are the ingredients we will be needing today. And also I just have this very cute jar. I love to recycle, so this used to be a coffee jar, and since the coffee is finished, I decided to use it for this. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna store my mixture in. Okay, so for you, you could get any container you have in your house, but for me, I love to recycle, so this is perfect for me. Okay, so yeah, already I have my mashed garlic, and I also have my squeezed lemon. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you how it's done. I'm gonna add this mashed garlic into my jar. Okay, okay, so yep, I already added my mashed garlic into the jar. Okay, so next I'm gonna add my squeezed lemon into it as well. Okay, so you can get as much quantity of lemon as you want. It depends on how plenty you are in your family, because I don't think you would want this concoction or this mixture to get finished in time. So you could get as much lemon or lime as you want, and as much garlic as you want as well. Okay, so I'm gonna add my honey. So for me, I added 3 tablespoons of honey. Okay, so if you have a sweet tongue and you would want it to taste very nice, because as it is, the honey cannot be too much. Okay, So you can add as much honey as you want. So after adding that, I try to mix it up. So after that is done, I cover it up. So this mixture, yep, so this mixture cannot be complete if it doesn't ferment for at least 3 days, okay? So the reason for the fermentation is so that all the ingredients can mix in properly, especially the ginger, sorry, the garlic, so that it could sip into the whole mixture properly, and so we could be able to extract the nutrients. Okay, so you have to sit this down somewhere in your house for it to ferment for at least 3 days, and then you can start using it. Okay, so I would advise you use in the night before you go to bed, because I think not everybody wants to perceive the garlic smell when you talk in public, and so you wouldn't want people to run away from you when you talk in public. So I'd advise you to take it at night before you go to bed. Okay, so that's it. Very simple home DIY remedy for your cold and cough in cold seasons. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. If this video has been very helpful, I would love you to share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell button underneath for more notification from OY Home Remedy YouTube channel. And also don't forget to like. So thank you very much for watching. Have a wonderful day, and bye.